Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how can you reset your KitchenAid dishwasher control panel. So here is a complete step-by-step reset guide. Method 1, you can hard reset via your power cycle, which is the official method. Step 1, drain the tub. Press the cancel or drain button to clear any active water. Allow the pump to finish draining completely. Step 2, cut the power. Unplug the power cord from the electrical wall outlet. Flip the dedicated household circuit breaker to off if the plug is hidden. Step 3, wait patiently. Leave the power completely disconnected for at least 1 minute. This allows the control board to fully power down. Step 4, restore the power. Plug the cord back in or flip the circuit breaker to on. Close the door firmly, select a new cycle and press start to test. Method 2, soft reset via control board sequences. Step 1, check control lock. Look at the panel for a lit padlock icon. Press and hold the control lock button for 3 seconds to unlock it if lit. Step 2, enter diagnostic mode. Ensure the dishwasher door is fully closed and latched. Press high temp wash, then heat it dry in rapid succession. Repeat this exact alternating sequence 5 times total. Step 3, run diagnostic test. Watch for all panel lights to illuminate and flash. Leave the machine alone for 5 to 10 minutes while it recalibrates. Step 4, cancel and clean. Press the cancel or drain button once the lights stop flashing. Wait for 2 minutes for the final drain cycle to finish before opening. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.